Hello everybody, I will do the video how to change the battery on DVM810. It's a small unimeter which I bought a few years ago and actually finally died. I bought the batteries for it, so I will open it and I will show you how to do the replacement of the battery. So let's start with this. For the start, it's really pocket nice unimeter when you need it for something and you don't want to bring the big one, standard one. It's really good toy. If you look here, there are two screws which we will have to open. Open it with this screwdriver. Okay, so when we open it here, you can see there is a battery. So we will change the battery. Oops, there is one of these parts are skipped out, so we will have to, if that happens to you, just bring it back. And let us open the batteries. I'm first time doing that, so I didn't ever do that earlier, so this is my good knife. Okay, so this is the batteries I bought, and we will use the first one from the below. An easy way. This will save for later, for the next years. And here it is, the new battery. Be careful to put on the spring. Normally you are putting the minus, and you have also here the wires. You can see always black is the minus and red is the plus. Okay, so now we put back the coverage. Oops, the old one. We try to first you put, you see here you have two holes, and you first put this part, then just put the screws back and pull it back. Okay, now let's try to turn it, and yes, it's working. So thank you very much. This was the short video how to change your battery on a small but funny toy which you can always use somewhere when you have to go out. Thank you very much. See you next time.